Go.
What's up, everybody? How is everybody doing today? We have a special guest again. My only guest ever the whole time. Little brother. We have 5 pounds of crawfish, and we're about to dive in. Y'all see me looking at this. I'm trying to grab into
That's
it.
That's crazy. The difference.
So you can choose to do that if you want. But
the head.
I have to. I'm teaching him. Oh,
Right,
we're back. Sorry, guys.
Show me how to do that, fool.
Okay, so you just twist it off. Yeah, pull it out.
Cool. Oh. Can you eat that?
And then, I mean, you can. I don't like how
this?
it. Yeah, I do. It doesn't really have a lot of juice in it. You got to kind of crush down on it. Yeah. But these aren't juicy.
Nah.
We're trying a new place, y'all.
They definitely got some seasoning on them, though. The claws are just huge.
Corn's good.
And what do you do with this?
Okay, so there's a couple different ways to do this.
All right.
Well, I have nails, so the way I'm going to do it is, you see how it goes in layers?
Yeah.
Like little things. So
You just
I usually
peel them
peel
off.
back at like the second one. Peel that back.
Okay.
And you're gonna rip it off all the way around. Now you should just be able to like pinch it at the bottom of the tail and just pull the meat out.
Fish out. Oh, yeah.
And you have.
Oh, yeah. I did it. Dip it in some butter. Dip it in the seasoning. Woo.
Yeah, these are not juicy at all. But we'll see about getting from this place again. I don't know. No, if they're worth the $8.99 a pound from that place. All the good places are just far.
Yeah.
Well, I can't really say far because
Oh.
the Wolfies, each one is technically, Jesus. Oh, it came unplugged. Ooh, that one had juice in it. Can you unplug that wire that's hanging? I mean,
What?
never mind. I'll do it because you don't know where it goes.
Yeah, what's like what are you talking about?
Technical foul.
Yeah, what is that? It's like fat.
Okay. Oh, my light went up. I'm looking a little dog.
Damn. Yeah, I ain't smooth with it. I ain't smooth with it. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It's guts and what people call it dookie.
Dookie, is that what that was?
I don't think every single one of them were shitting when they got caught. So it can't be dookie.
What you doing now?
Getting that sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah. That butter is cold, so it ain't doing that. Oh man.
Yeah. Like them big ones, man.
You gotta eat the small ones too.
Yeah.
I messed that one up.
Okay, I got it. I got it. You just gotta twist a little bit, Pooh.
Yeah. Like, basically pull while you're twisting and
Yeah.
just come right out.
Yeah. Oh shit. No. Don't waste it.
He said don't put the crawfish on the floor. Okay. Please don't abuse the crawfish.
Don't abuse the crawfish.
Ooh.
I gotta peel it back more.
See, that one had some juice in it.
Yeah.
It's like the ones that are sitting down in the juice. They're the only ones that have the juice.
Uh-oh, can you eat that?
You can. That's up to you.
The
It's
vein.
all, yeah, it's all what you think
I
it
didn't know
is.
if it was like,
Like I said, some
shrimp
people
or
say
not.
that's,
Because you can't eat the vein in shrimp.
I mean, you can. It's just,
It's not.
you don't want to.
No, you're not supposed to eat it. I think it's like poisonous.
No,
I'm pretty sure
it is not poisonous.
that it's like
It's a vein. That's why it says deveined shrimp. It's just a vein. Like
exactly.
it's dead
Peeled
at this
in the-
point.
Peeled in
Nothing.
the vein. You don't just peel them and eat them.
Well, most of the time they're already cleaned out.
Yeah, but if you go,
But it
people
all
do
depends
the
on the
time.
person.
Exactly. People do it all the time.
Because
Yeah.
it's somebody that I watch on YouTube. What? Nothing?
Yeah.
Somebody that I watch on YouTube, she just eats it. Like with that in it and everything. She'll just put her mouth on it and pinch
Yeah.
it from the bottom and then just eat it. But
Yeah.
I don't do it like that because I like to take all that stuff out. That little vein thing, it doesn't look right to me, okay? It's not poop. It's probably a vein, just like they have shrimp. Alright.
It's not poop.
Their corn is obviously frozen. Oh, not fresh corn.
Boo.
I had to really pay attention to the
They say,
difference.
yeah, that's a good idea. Or have you been doing it?
I mean, I do it all the time when I make like seafood sauces and stuff. I watch a lot of YouTube, I'm telling you. They all do it. So yeah, there's a new, well, it's not new anymore. A lot of people know about it now.
Yeah, fuck it.
But an app called Bigo. Bigo, however you want to say it.
Yeah.
You
You can do
can
what?
go live. Get paid to go live.
And I don't want to go smooth for me.
It has the, I had to basically audition to become a host because a lot of people, if people could get paid to do this, then anybody and everybody would be doing it because,
I messed it up.
so they have to make sure that, you know, you're not trying to be somebody you're not, and, or you're not a robot.
I messed that one up.
And if it's hard, just pinch the shell.
Yeah.
And it breaks it back there. So I will be going live on this app. I already did for the audition, and I did really good.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot of people on there.
What did you have to do for the...
Just basically introducing yourself. Like I said, they want to make sure you're not a robot.
Yeah. I can't do this.
And people,
I did it a couple times. I'm messing it up, man.
can you open this for me? Or, well, yeah. Open that for me.
Hold on.
I didn't bring anything over here to open it with. Yeah, well, I didn't plug my mic back in either. That's okay. I'm not about to mess with anything else. Y'all can hear me.
Finger's still buttery.
Thank you. That's cool.
Alright, I need practice. Practice. I can get it out the show. Just fine.
Then what are you doing wrong? I mean, can you get the tail
Yeah.
out?
Like, I guess I'm not easy with it. Enough. There we go.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. Just
There we
if
go.
you feel like it's gonna be a problem, rip more of the shell
I
off.
got that one. Yeah, there we go. There's one right there.
Right there.
Right there. Right there, boy.
I hope you guys enjoyed the crawfish video better than you did our Panda Express video. If you haven't seen that video, please go watch it. I also wanted to do, because when I get Chipotle is another popular thing on YouTube.
Really, I like Chipotle. I had Chipotle with Luke the other day, and I hadn't ever really had Chipotle like that. I got a bowl, and I was
So I always get a bowl.
this is busting.
I get tofu, and you would never know which one the tofu is.
Really?
Because it looks so good.
I
You would
see.
never know. It's spicy.
Chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Luke told me the fajita beef be.
Oh, I'm
kinda-
sure. I've never had anything
kinda,
else from there because.
rubbery,
Oh, really?
dry. I don't remember what he said.
Yeah, I've never
But I
had
was like,
anything
I
else
like
with the
chicken. I
tofu.
prefer chicken anyway. So
So I wanted to do like, and this is for y'all to know too. Y'all give me y'all's opinion on this. But, and the only way I know about this is because
damn.
I used to know somebody who was vegan. I say used to know because I don't talk to this person anymore. So, used to know that was vegan.
Ew.
Nobody you knew. They weren't around very long.
Oh.
But, so we went to Chipotle and he was like, you know, get tofu and get this and this and this. Trust
I
me.
love Chipotle.
Yeah. So get this and this and this. Like, I got the bowl exactly how he told me. Both kinds of rice. Both kinds of beans.
Okay.
Tofu. And then get whatever toppings you like, which was lettuce, shredded cheese, and pico de gallo. Fucking so good. You'd never know that you were eating
I'm
something
struggling.
that's not meat.
They gonna make fun of me.
Are you really? He's struggling over there, y'all. Get on that ass. What are you struggling with?
I can't get it off enough to get it.
Look at my side, look at your side.
Cause you quit with the shit.
So yeah, I wanted to do like a, first of all, I know Chipotle's a popular place on YouTube. And I know people love to look up healthy
Yeah.
foods, especially from Chipotle. So because I eat tofu from Chipotle, it is vegetarian / vegan friendly food. So I think it would be good to have a video on something that's not only Chipotle, something somewhere that's popular, but it's also healthy.
Ooh.
What y'all think about that?
Oh, I think it's a great idea.
So that'll be next week.
Oh, yeah.
So I was gonna do a video yesterday with the Chipotle thing, and then I changed my mind.
Got that one. Yeah, this tastes way better than this butter and seasoning over here.
Yeah, I almost just want to pour the butter and the seasoning in this pan. Should turn the oven on. I could just reheat it like that. That man told me I asked, so this is a new place that I got crawfish from. I asked, what kind, you know, some places only give you crawfish. You have to get the corn and potatoes separate.
Yeah.
And then other places, it comes with it. So I asked, he said, well, it normally come with this and this. He said, but I'm out of potatoes. So I can give you 5 corn. 1, 2, 3.
That's not 5.
Where's my last 2 corns, homeboy?
It's still alright though.
Yeah, it's good. I mean, it's 5 minutes from my house, so you know what I'm saying. We finna be having crawfish all the time. But the other place I wanted you to go to, like I said, they're completely closed when it's not crawfish season.
Whoops.
Like when it is crawfish season, they have crawfish and bull shrimp. But when it's not crawfish season, they're not even open. So they are only dedicated to the crawfish. Yeah, exactly. So we know we have to get from them earlier in the day because I called at 7 o'clock and they were sold out. Look at my bucket compared to yours. Where the hell are your shells at?
Oh, in your bucket.
Oh, really?
I forgot there was one there for some reason.
Forgot a bowl was on your side.
Whoops.
Okay.
Whoops. Not paying attention. I almost threw it in your bowl. Yeah, so we got some spices in it, don't it?
Miss Becky posted on my timeline asking if me and Eric were okay because she hadn't seen us at work. I said, he's there. I guess he doesn't really come to the front a lot when I'm not there.
Yeah.
I was like, he's there and I'll see you Friday. Little bitty dude.
Yeah, I can't like get it whole. There we go. It's a good size one too. All of it's like right here.
Mm-hmm.
There's like none over here.
If I would have known it wasn't gonna be much corn, I would have boiled some eggs. I really wanted some. You ain't had no boiled egg with no seafood.
Oh,
It
okay.
hit different.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, and it's juicy. Oh, you got the whole thing apart. Oh no.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
Ugh.
Whoops. Oh yeah, you see all the guts.
And some people open that and eat all that.
I mean, it's food.
It's just up to you on the, like, I'm big on texture. I don't
Yeah.
like anything that's slimy
Yeah.
or, ugh,
I
yeah.
mean, it might have a good flavor to it.
Yeah, it does. It just, if it hits my tongue, I'm
Yeah.
done.
Oh yeah.
If it just shoots straight to the back, I'm good. But no.
Make it shoot straight to the back.
I mean, sometimes I do. Sometimes that shit hits my tongue. I mean, he could have at least made it 4 to make it even.
Oh my gosh. It's a tiny one.
I have a couple of tiny ones over
Look
here.
at this one. It's so cute. Ooh, okay, juicy too.
Hmm?
Okay, I see you. Okay, I see you.
It is. It's like it's sunken in right there. Probably because of the box.
Oops.
Can you give me some napkins? I got the drip down my chin. Really, he gives me one.
Sorry, I tore it off for you, and then I was like, nah, I need one too.
Well, huh?
My fault.
But yeah, this app, like, you don't have to share the link or anything and tell people come watch my live.
Yeah.
Like, people just scroll through there and your live pops up. Like, it's kind of like TikTok. Just a bunch of videos that you click on, but it's like people on live.
Or it's like Twitch.
So you, well, I don't know about
It's
that.
streaming.
I don't know.
It's video games.
Okay. So yeah. People are just talking to me.
Yeah.
And they send you gifts and send you different things, and these things turn into, damn, what's the word?
That one's red, isn't it?
They turn into beans. That's what it is. I think gifts are diamond.
Hit myself.
They turn into beans. And beans you can cash out for money.
Oh, okay. Beans.
Mm-hmm.
You got the beans?
I got the beans.
Beans, they're good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you fart.
The more you fart, the better you feel. So let's have beans for every meal. But this will definitely do. That one was dead. I don't want that.
How you know it's dead?
When it's squishy. When it just falls apart.
Oh. Like mine did?
Like, where'd he go? Like, see how he's just squishy. And the tail is all squishy.
You just tell, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think I got one yet.
Means it was dead.
It may
when
be
it
like
was...
curled up though. He wasn't, it was.
No, it won't. It's the
it won't be-
opposite
yeah.
for crawfish. It'll be straight. When they're dead,
Right.
the tail is straight.
Right.
Yeah, it
That's what I'm
wouldn't be
saying.
curled.
Like, yeah, so you could tell. Come on now.
Peel another layer
Yeah,
off if
I'm
it
going.
won't come out.
Yeah. There we go. There we go. So I went and seen the new Spider-Man 2.
Huh? Oh, you went. Oh, you
Also.
said 2. Okay. Yeah, no, I saw.
You seen it? Yeah.
On
On my
Snapchat.
story, yeah. I was like, I'm gonna go by myself since nobody else wanna do nothing with me.
Who'd you go to Applebee's with?
It was Luke and Emily and a friend of Emily's.
Oh.
You know, Emily fucking, excuse my language, sorry. She left for college.
Oh, so she did end up going.
Yeah, she did, yeah. But she was waiting to get, like, accepted.
Oh, okay.
And she she got accepted. Yeah, I was at Modesty's the other night.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, for her birthday. Going in Modesty's. Did you forget her birthday? Yes, I did. Damn.
Wow.
I thought, for real?
That was the night y'all were all over there.
Yes.
When Eric came and got weed. Well, y'all wouldn't know because he didn't come inside.
I wasn't there when Eric came. Or
did you go
he came
with Marcus over there?
Marcus isn't here. Marcus wasn't here.
So who was in his truck?
Emily has been having his truck was over at Modesty's.
Yeah.
Emily went and got his truck to use it to move. It's back at the house now.
So when was her?
It's back at our house.
No.
I was over there. I swear. She was born at 1 o'clock in the morning, and we had to wait till 1 o'clock in the morning to tell her happy birthday.
I know it's the same month as Mom's.
Yes.
So that's why
That's why I was like, oh my God, your birthday's in the same month as our mom.
Both of my best friends are. Rose's is too.
I was thinking about her. You still talk to her?
Every now and then. It was on Instagram. She working.
There go another little one. Oh, it's so cute.
What day was that?
Shoot. Oh, it was a Friday night, matter of fact. It was a Friday night.
I was probably sick.
Yeah.
It wasn't this past Friday. Or was it?
It's on my phone. Yeah, it was this past Friday.
You said it was this past Friday?
Hold on.
So what? Yeah, because what's today? Today's Thursday.
Yeah. Yeah. Friday. Because then Sunday I was gonna try to go to work with Ed.
Mm-hmm.
And I had hit her back up.
So that's
And
who
then I
you're
went
talking
back.
about being at.
And then I went back over there.
Ed, that goofy ass black dude. Fucking retarded motherfucker. I don't like his voice. His voice is too low for me.
Yeah.
If his voice was deep, he would be.
New Orleans.
Yeah, if his voice was deep, he would be cute. But
Oh, yeah.
he sounds like a little bitch. So no.
He's pretty cool though.
That's Ed. Okay.
He's pretty cool though.
I don't know why I never put his face with his name because I always.
Who's been
the other
getting the
one,
weed?
Trey. He has a crush on me. The one with the dreads. If I'm ever around, Trey. Skinny dude.
Ed's got dreads too.
Skinny dude with dreads. No, not Ed.
Skinny dude with dreads.
You might not have seen him yet.
No, Trey. No. I met Ray. Short dude.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ray, Trey, and
Like that one?
Ed.
That one's soft, huh? No. Itchy, he just... Yeah, look at your bowl. Well, I've added to it.
Mm-hmm.
Keep forgetting. I keep forgetting this bow right here.
Yeah, what is on my hair? I'm just not caring right now. I'm eating crawfish.
Eating crawfish.
You guys like crawfish? If you don't like crawfish, is it because you never tried them? Or is it because you don't know how to eat them?
Or you think it's weird.
Or you just...
Because they come out the mud.
think it's a bug. It looks like a bug, some people say. I have a lot of mud bug holes in my yard.
I remember seeing them as kids.
Mm-hmm.
They used to poke up out the...
Well, we used to
And you'd be like, oh my God.
dig in Grandma and Grandpa's
What about
backyard.
that one? Now I be tripping now thinking they...
Is his tail straight? His tail looks pretty.
It's curvy. He's curvy. He's just like, yeah. See? Like that other one happened. It just came apart. Just to be safe. Just to be safe.
And next week I'll definitely.
Dead
He's just
gummit.
abusing the shit out of him.
Dead gummit. And I'm dropping it all over my phone. I got crawfish juice all over my
I was gonna say
phone.
crawfish phone.
Yeah, we soaking up all the juices now. It's all, hey, you wanna fight me?
We already had crawfish war when we were trying to take a thumbnail. I was like, let's cheers. Looked like we were just fighting them.
Mine was bigger too. It had bigger claws.
It did. Looked like I was getting whooped.
Those are like the biggest claws I've seen. Some snappers. Yeah. Oh yeah. Is that how you feel? I'll be looking for the like freestyle things. You know what I'm saying? I just keep, yeah.
I have been eating crawfish since a kid. I'll never forget the.
Yeah, it's really crazy how I never had it.
Mm-hmm. I'll
Like-
never forget.
Like that, anyways.
At the one restaurant in Cleveland, Texas, that I can't think of the name of it right now.
I was
I
about
have
to
to
say,
hear
which
it.
restaurant?
It's something crazy. It's in Spanish. I can't think of it.
Really?
But yeah. But it's right in front of HEB. It's in the HEB parking lot in Cleveland.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Bro, I remember that. They used to be like all over the floor.
Yeah, yeah.
And they served them in buckets.
Uh-huh. And then
Bro.
he brought you another bucket.
Bro. Bro. Look at my eyes.
He's like,
That's
damn,
crazy.
it all just came to him right then.
That's crazy. Cause that's like a memory I used to have that I used to like remember.
Mm-hmm.
But I haven't, you know, it hasn't popped up in a while. So that's crazy.
Yeah, I remember, like...
And I was scared of them. I was, no, I don't want those things.
Yep.
Shoot, leave some leftovers.
No, I ain't trying to. Trying to get rid of all of it.
Yeah,
I do want to warm it up.
yeah. I agree. Well, I got the truck fixed.
I saw you putting...
It don't make no noises now.
Yeah. I saw you putting
Yeah.
shocks on it.
Mm-hmm. Shocks, and it got, well, those are the struts.
So that...
That's the whole strut assembly.
Yeah, the whole strut, yeah.
Yeah.
So that
and then
was the problem?
The ball joints.
That was
No, the ball joints. You know, remember when I was like 14 or 24 karat gold? I think it was 14 karat gold actually. They literally were coated in gold.
Wait, what were?
My ball joints. Like my new ball joints. They were coated in gold. He was like pulling them out the box. Tim was pulling them out the box. And he was like, yeah, these are 14 karat gold ball joints. And then I put on my story, do you got 14 karat gold ball joints? I do.
Oh, I don't think I saw that.
Yeah, it was like the first one I put on there, and then I put the struts on there.
Oh, I probably either skipped past it or just seen it and didn't have the
And then
volume
I
on.
also got new rotors and pads, brake pads. Because they were the ones I had on there.
Mm-hmm.
I had already.
He must get a discount.
He gets discounts, and AutoZone's got the warranty, lifetime warranty on parts.
Mm-hmm.
So you can, if you like, I already had the same part installed on my truck. Tim already fixed the rotors and pads once.
Mm-hmm.
And you take them off. You take the old ones off. You take them to AutoZone, and they give you the you go and you pay however much for the parts. They give you the new parts. You go replace them, bring the old parts back, and they give you your money back.
Huh.
Yeah, full price, every penny. It's really cool.
So
Like,
it doesn't matter if you got it from there or not.
Well, you have to, you have to get it from AutoZone.
Oh.
It has to be a warranty through AutoZone.
Oh, so you had a warranty.
I already had the parts I had on there
Mm-hmm.
were already on warranty.
Mm.
And he took them off.
You didn't know that?
No, I knew that.
Oh.
Like I said, he already fixed the rotors and pads once.
Yeah. So
And
why you ain't been when you got it fixed then?
That wasn't what was needed fixing. He just fixed that because we was around that area. He had to take off the whole rotor and everything anyways to get to my ball joints and struts. So shoot, I'm full.
I was just gonna say, are you stopping?
Are you stopping? I mean, if you don't want me to, I won't. So really the only thing I need now,
I've been so focused on eating, I have not burped.
there we go.
I'm talking about. Now you said what? The only thing you need now is what?
Only thing I need on the truck now is rear shocks.
Mm-hmm.
And I need a new front bumper. Because it would make my truck look... Because my truck like sits up higher now in the front. But it's kind of like... It's still even with the rear, with the back. Yeah, I'm going to take that out. So it looks really good. It would look so much better with without a dent in my front bumper.
Well, I'm just waiting for income tax time.
Yeah, I need to figure that out.
Do you get paid from that work you did in Lufkin?
Yes, it's crazy. I was really just about to say, they called, Allie hit me up this morning and told me, well, her brother called me too, trying to get my information and stuff from me. I get a, whatchamacallit.
W2.
He didn't call it a W2,
W4.
he called it a 10.90 or
10.96.
something like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
That one was spicy. Oh yeah, that one's dead.
Yeah.
Spicy. Spicy. Spicy boy. It was kind of whack. You had more corns than me.
Mhm. Yeah, that's why I told him replacing all those potatoes with corn was fine, because potatoes makes you really full really fast. So I don't like the potatoes.
Starch.
Mm-hmm.
And corn starch too, but it's not as starchy.
Mm-hmm. But I was cool with that because I just wanted a few pieces of corn.
Bread, that's why bread fills you up too.
Mm-hmm.
And pasta.
And yeast.
And pasta. Well, yeast is in bread.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you don't just eat yeast, fool.
No, I'm saying
Just like yeast.
the yeast in the bread is what makes you full, because that's why a beer makes you full, because the yeast is in beer.
It expands.
Mm-hmm.
Should get in your throat.
Oh, we just killed 5-pound crawfish. It's dead. Killed it. I need something else to drink.
Yeah, for real. Like little loose legs.
You could always. A lot of people, instead of taking the meat out of the claw, they just chew on the claw.
Well, it's so small though.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably a tedious process.
Well,
yeah.
they say it's just a bunch of flavor in there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some more.
It tastes pretty good. You just chew on the claw. It tastes really good.
Okay. You want one of these fruit punches? That's all I got.
Yeah, that's fine.
And maybe you can taste that jug of tea that's back there. And see
Jug
if
of
you
tea.
like it. It's gold peak
Ow.
tea.
That one.
It's
That
gold
one got
peak
me.
tea, but I don't like it.
That's not the same. That's the same kind of you usually get, you know?
Yeah, but it's the one that was in the store, room temperature.
Oh.
And I don't like it. You might like it.
My damn fingers are slippery.
Oh, you almost ain't got nothing.
Yeah. My fingers are
Yeah, that's
dirty.
good. I got open.
Well, they ain't nubby. Ain't just got no. They just ain't got no nails.
He got the noobs. He got the noobs. My hair.
Yeah. How many crawfish you say that was?
5 pounds.
But like.
You never know. You never know. Because they're all different sizes.
No, I mean like how many? Like 1, 2, 3,
I don't know.
4,
You
5,
can't say
6.
how many is in a pound. Like I
mean,
said, they
I
all
know.
weigh different.
Yeah. I'm just saying it was a good like over 100 crawfish.
Yeah.
That one got mostly corn and napkins in it.
I'd say, because I haven't gotten a small pound. I've gotten like 10 crawfish in 1 pound, but they were big.
Yeah.
So they were heavy.
Yeah.
And they're
Look at my
expensive.
phone.
They're expensive right now.
Yeah, season just started.
Mm-hmm. I'm about to determine to finish these. Even though they're cold and I want them warm so bad, but the oven's gonna take too long to heat up. Yeah. That was a good one. If your attention span has lasted you long enough to reach this point in the video, hey, hi there.
Hey, how you doing?
How you do? You got that Big Mama and then you got that Rasputia.
You remember Asia?
That was a black girl, wasn't it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you said that already.
I already told you?
Yeah, you said that when you were at Walmart.
Was we talking?
Yeah. Said you were.
Huh. Okay.
There's a problem going back to exes.
I wouldn't really call her ex because we didn't really. It wasn't really. Nah. Our relationship was weird. It wasn't really like.
That's true.
We was in high school and it just wasn't. It was weird. I wouldn't really say we dated.
Oh, you were still in school then, huh? Not really. You were never going.
Yeah, that was the year I started fucking up.
Jesus.
Whoops.
It was one day the school wouldn't let him go early. He was old enough to where he could just leave. But the school wouldn't let him leave early. I said, man, if you don't walk out that door.
I remember that shit at Splendora. At Splendora, too.
I said, them people can't do nothing to you.
I was sitting there right there by the door. I'm like,
just go.
I'm finna leave. I'm taking off. You probably still got the video.
Yeah.
Of me walking out too.
I'm sure.
Somewhere. You gonna eat all of them, huh?
I'm trying. I'm about done though. They're cold. They're
Yeah.
not good anymore. I need to get me a hot plate, a little
There you go.
skillet thing.
Do it right here on the camera.
Mm-hmm. Is that the wind? Oh my god.
Yeah, man. And it's raining.
Alright, y'all. I'm done.
Really drink this.
I'm full.
You ain't touched one napkin, huh?
I have.
Oh yeah, you did ask me for that.
Only ones you gave me.
Yeah, and we soaked up that juice too. Yeah, this butter ain't worth it.
Yeah,
They need to
rarely,
put like,
and I don't like
they need
theirs.
to put this
There's
in a cup.
theirs really tastes like. See, other places they have butter that is a different kind of butter that melts. But this
this
literally
is weird.
tastes like they just put butter in there and melted it. That's exactly what that tastes like.
Well, there's got to be something else in there because if it was just butter, it would harden up.
It's starting to. That's why it's so thick now.
Really? Mine's still.
Because
fine.
melted butter is transparent. You see straight through that shit.
Yeah.
Like, it's cloudy.
There's probably oil in there.
Something. I don't know.
Something.
Yeah, y'all. I'm letting y'all go. I am full. Yes, my chair still squeaks. Oh, well. I ain't put no WD-40 on it
Like
yet.
Crazy.
Oh. I ain't even told nobody. Everybody done left the video now, I'm sure.
What?
I just got over COVID, you guys. I ain't taken my test to know that I'm negative yet, but I know that I'm negative. I feel way better. I sounded like you.
I still don't know if I had it or not. I sounded way worse.
I sounded.
I used to sound horrible.
I was telling Eric, I told him on live. I was like, I sounded like a 15-year-old boy whose voice was changing. Like it sounded so bad. So that's why I have not been on here. Have not been making videos. I was sick for almost 2 weeks. Been out of work since Tuesday of last week. Today is Thursday.
That's probably where you got shit from.
Yes, it is. Y'all know I work behind customer service now, where I'm touching lots and lots of things that people are bringing back that has been in their homes, has been in their houses, cars, in their hands. You probably coughed on it, sneezed on it.
And obviously,
and you brought it to me. It's Walmart. They don't care.
In and out.
Yeah, it's Walmart.
Hundreds of people a day coming
exactly.
in and out. And
me, you know, I have my mask on all day. I go to break, smoke me a cigarette.
Yeah, you don't ever take the hell off.
Yeah.
Don't be really wearing one.
Well, you were outside, you didn't have to, but but yeah, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video. Let me know what else you would like to see, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Mwah.